Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products that promise a game-changing experience for your nails. If you're someone who loves a flawless manicure without the hassle of glue, then you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in the Color FX shade levels. A dark pink with a Squoval shape. This product offers a one-step press-on experience that promises salon-quality results in the comfort of your home. Sounds intriguing, right? Now, let's dive into the details. The Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails come with 30 press-on nails, including a mix of sizes, a mini file, a prep pad, and a manicure stick. All the tools you need for a complete at-home mani. What sets these apart from traditional press-on nails is the improved adhesive technology. The press-ons are designed for a long-lasting wear of up to 10 days, and they promise to provide a seamless, natural look that mimics gel nails. For those of you who have struggled with glue or are looking for an easier alternative, these nails could be a game changer. The color Levels is a beautiful dark pink with a chrome-like metallic finish that's hard to replicate with any standard nail polish. Plus, these nails are made for quick and easy application. All you have to do is peel, press, and go. No special skills are needed. So whether you're a nail pro or a first-timer, you can easily apply them in minutes. The real question, though, is how do they hold up? I've tested these nails during a regular week of daily activities, and I've got to say, they're surprisingly sturdy. The adhesive holds well, even after multiple washes and some minor contact with rough surfaces. While the product promises up to 10 days of wear, I found that they lasted around a week before showing signs of wear at the tips. If you're someone who's looking for longevity, this could be a slight downside, but it's still impressive for press-on nails. Now, let's talk about the feel. These nails are lightweight and comfortable. I've worn press-ons in the past that felt bulky or too stiff, but these felt like a natural extension of my nails. The Squoval shape is perfect for those who want a chic, elegant look without going too long, and the dark pink color is bold but still versatile enough to wear with different outfits. So, what's the deal with the pros and cons? Pros: easy to apply with the peel and press method, improved adhesive for long-lasting wear, up to 10 days, gorgeous metallic chrome-like finish that stands out, comes with everything you need for a DIY at-home manicure. Cons: limited to a 1-week wear time for some, though they stay intact for the most part. The adhesive could be stronger for those with more active hands or harsher conditions. Is the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani worth the price? In my opinion, yes, especially if you're someone who loves a quick, effortless manicure with zero mess. At the price point, they offer a good value considering the ease of use and the long-lasting finish. While they may not replace a salon manicure entirely, they offer a convenient and affordable alternative for those who want a flawless look without the commitment of glue. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, there are cheaper alternatives, but they may not have the same level of durability or the metallic finish that these provide. For example, the more traditional press-on nails from brands like Glamnetic offer a similar experience, but might not last as long or have the same level of color impact. In terms of build quality, the press-ons themselves feel sturdy, and the included tools, like the file and prep pad, are a nice bonus. The nails are also easy to remove without causing damage to your natural nails, which is always a win. And customer support? Well, I've never had to interact directly with Kiss's customer service, but they are a well-established brand with a solid reputation for handling customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Now, back to the product. Do they live up to the claims? Overall, yes. The Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails offer an easy, no-mess, no-fuss manicure with great color payoff. If you're someone who enjoys experimenting with your nails, but doesn't want the hassle of salon appointments or glue, these are a must-try. Mid-review reminder: if you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this video too. Your support helps us keep creating honest, in-depth reviews like this one. And before we wrap up, if you've already tried these press-on nails, drop a comment below and let me know how they worked for you. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.